The toilet is more than what you sit on every morning. It's like a throne where the king goes alone. Super design and functionality. Large trapway diameter for better flush performance. Glazed Trapway Technology for smoother slide of waste. Soft glow seat and cover for calm and luxurious daily life. Dual flush water saver with high efficiency. Hyper Siphon Vortex flushing action scene to offer tranquility in our private space. This is achieved through the specialized rim and trapway configuration of Brauhn's water closet. Your private moments redefined with Brauhn. Exclusively distributed at AllHome.